Hello everybody, Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk. Hey, thank you for watching and listening. I'm coming to you today because I want you to know that I'm going to be in Cincinnati, Raleigh, and Chicago delivering my 2-day workshop called The 6-Step Road to Service Department and Service Advisor Success. Now I've got a lot of great new content in it. For example, I'm going to talk about the 6 areas of closing a sale on a service drive. Did you know that there's 6 areas? Most service advisors think there's 1. They think it all revolves around asking for the sale, but there's actually 5 other areas. I'm going to teach it in this class. I'm going to show them how to master it so when they come back to you, they will maximize the opportunity you've given them and deliver the highest sales, highest survey scores, highest customer retention, and effective labor rate you've ever seen. Now, how do you get signed up for these? Because these are selling out very quickly. Well, what you do is you dial 1-800-248-2931, 1-800-248-2931, and anybody that picks up that phone can get you registered for one of these workshops. And there's an added bonus. Check this out. If you're one of the first 500 people to sign up for one of these workshops, you're going to get for free my new and upcoming program entitled The Service Advisor's Bible for closing sales and handling objections on the service drive. This is both a video program and a book. The first 500 people, dial today, 1-800-248-2931. Get yourself signed up, and I look forward to meeting you in Raleigh, Cincinnati, or Chicago this fall.